You know what that? Hello here. I have here prepared something. I will do today the red cabbage, show you how to make it properly and very nice, okay? So what we need first is 1.5 kilo red cabbage, sliced very fine like this, equally. Then what you need, you dice very small an onion, and you make this cutting of 2 apples, boskop or anything sweet sour. What you will need is 2 of the cinnamon here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 can be a little bit more or less, yeah, depends on your taste. Juniper berry here, 2 cloves, 2, 3, 4 of the bay leaves. Then any kind of apple juice. I use that instead of water. That's very nice. And of course my homemade red wine. So, and I put the camera here and then you can watch me doing that. So what we do first is very simple. We need a pot. So then as usual I don't use the stupid soya oil. This is not good. This is So okay, here we put the coconut oil. So 3, make it 4 spoons into your pot. Then we will heat it up. Middle temperature, not too hot, otherwise your onion will burn. Let me put in here the onion first. Further, you will need some water, some like, do you know, cranberry or something like that you can use if you cannot get the, what we have in Germany, we have the Preiselbeer or so, you know, a berry jam, a red berry jam. It gives a nice touch to the red cabbage, what we do in Germany. So first we do this one. You see, it's actually it's that fine cut. After that, here I cut it and I get already a little bit color on my finger. If you wanna, you can buy this in the glass and then modify, but I don't like it. I really like to do it by myself, the cutting. Look at this. So nice, you see, equally cut is important. And then by when you put it in, you can also take out something hard like this here and recheck it. All right. Now you must stay here, not too hot. You need also here, always next to my gas, I have a bottle of water. So first you use some water. It will evaporate anyway. But later for the taste, I tell you. Now you can heat up a little bit. Yeah, what I do now actually, I make it separate where it still stick here like this together. Later we'll cook alone. Don't make the mistake, oh, I need it today and I will cook it and then later I eat it. No, it's not good. Actually, you make it today and you eat it tomorrow or something like this. Or you put it in the fridge and you eat it 2 days later. Or you will heat it a second time or something like that. See, it's getting less in the pot already. So next time what I put here is the 1, 2, 3 bay leaves, 2 cloves. The more you can take them in a net and take them out later, but I'm gonna make it classic way and keep them inside. Here I have 6 juniper berry, 2 of these cinnamon. You can take them out later, the cinnamon. Next step is the apple. Next one is a tablespoon of a small one, a little bit salt. Hey, my other one broken in 2 years, so I get a new one. Hey, and then you can check here the pepper. Don't too much, a little bit. Stir it frequently so it doesn't burn, okay? You will change how the white one will disappear, and I have here my wine. Oh yeah, so around 50 milliliter, 70 milliliter, my homemade wine. Wow. Now we come to that what the people don't know, but I figure out. I put here so around, let's say 1 glass of apple juice. You can use a little bit more, it will evaporate anyway, and you get a nice touchy of this juice story. You see, there's now a little bit liquid. It will later be cooked out and evaporate. We have now the onion we did first. Then we put into the oil with the red onion. When they were glossy, we put in the red cabbage, the apple, the herbs, the seasoning, like cinnamon and cloves and juniper berry and bay leaves. Then we add this 50 ml of red wine, 200 milliliter of apple juice, and then later we put some jam. No kidding. But before that we use not sugar. Sugar is not good. For this one, when you want to do something nice cooking, use a spoon of honey. So here we go. There's the honey. So much better than all this sugar. People so addicted with the sugar. Here I take a big spoon of sugar. Okay. Just let it slid it here over it. And this one will not stick on the spoon because it will dissolve in the hot liquid. You see? You don't need to say, oh, what I do, the honey will stick on my rings. No, put it in the hot liquid. It will be dissolved. So you have later the spoon for the testing. You must stir it now and do it well. I will keep the honey. I'm back in a minute. So now I'll show you something. So I have another spoon here, a fresh spoon, because I will go not with a honey spoon in my jam. Actually, I love this one, the long one, because if you have the small one sometime and you want to take honey out or so, it's not good. So I have here black currant, or you can use something like the German berry story. So and here I need 1, 2, 3 big spoons. And now comes this one, what is important. You spread it here first over, otherwise you stick on one place. And after you have spread it, you take out your spoon. And now I need, because my pot get hot, to hold it. And now you go ahead. You see? It's not finished yet, it takes time, really. You just put everything now here like this. You see, here you see the liquid. You don't have this kind of liquid. Later it will be almost gone. Okay? Here. This is now so it doesn't burn. What you do now is you let the liquid evaporate, you get the more intense taste of the apple honey and the berry, and you will have, like in a nice classic or 5-star restaurant, the taste here from the red cabbage. So what I'll do now, I go down with the temperature. Small gas. And now let it cook. Alright. See you later, folks. So, it's me back. We let it cook already for half an hour. Okay. So, as you can see, the water, the liquid here is reduced already. Not so much left, it's good. It's getting more sticky, it's good. It's supposed to be like that. Here, see, getting more sticky. So now we just keep stirring a little bit, and then so one by one we take out the cinnamon. You can leave it in, but okay. And here I will take out also the bay leaves and so, because it's not so fun. Actually the you can let it inside, but you want to take it out right now. Do you know this one where you put the tea, the egg, the stainless egg? You can put your herbs inside there, and then it's easy to remove. Or a tea filter, something like that. So here you see I have taken it out. Here you see that? Here it's not so watery anymore. You don't want to have it when you put it on the plate with your Schweinebraten. You know Schweinebraten, I make also today another video if I have enough time. This one must stay later till tomorrow. I let it cool down. I will let now, here's what, the third bay leaf. So you see we have it here. Get out. Okay. So that's now, this one's gone. Actually the juniper berry, I love it inside, and it gets so soft, and when you bite on it you have the nice aroma. So you don't need to take it out, you can, but okay. I love it with the juniper berry. You see now here it is reduced already, the volume. Here, look at this. I have tasted it already. What you do now is you turn off the gas. Stay so, you cover it with a lid, you stay so, you let it stay until it cool down. You will keep it in the fridge, and then tomorrow you will cook it again shortly, maybe 5-10 minutes, and then you try it. It's so lovely. It's like grandmother style Rotkohl, red cabbage. I hope you like my movie, and I will see you here again on my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. And don't forget to try it. I will write down the ingredients in the description below. Okay. Bye bye.